Talk about it when we get there.
So you're coming?
I don't know, should I?
You could. I mean, you're going to be helping out with the writing the final report.
Yeah.
Everyone will be, I hope. I think.
Just a bunch of typing.
Are you good at bunch of typing? No. Is it going? It's going. Oh, it looks so nice. Oh, shit. Withdraw. Move over a little. I'm gonna see if it's gooping. It's not gooping. Okay.